very sweet, honey.
Mom, maybe you should walk in fast. Mom, maybe you should walk in fast. Mom, maybe you should walk in fast.
Yeah, he's walking with all of us.
Yeah, I'm walking fast, and me walking fast. And you're going.
Take our masks down because nobody's around.
Yeah, let's go. Mom, this area is perfect. Have we been there before?
Nope. I like these little white flowers. They're pretty.
Pretty.
I'd love to hold them.
Well, like purples and blues down there too.
Mom, this is the X. Mom, this is the X.
It does look like that.
Mom, smell this. This is so cool. It tastes real. It smells real. You can see the pumpkin one. Come on, look at that. He's
Looks like a teepee.
what?
Looks like a teepee.
It looks like a tent.
Yeah, it's called a teepee.
Yeah, special kind of tent that's called a teepee.
Like we can even sleep with it.
Well, we can't because it's not ours, but yes.
What does it say right there? There's a sign.
Ski area boundary.
What is that?
So that means don't pass that way.
Like that way?
Mm-hmm.
So how people go down there if we not allowed down there? So we are allowed camp. We can't go down here, but that's not us. I need to party. And bring the water.
So he doesn't fall. So turn him this way. Say, come this way, James. Come on. There you go. Good job.
Yeah, baby.
Dad.
Guys. Jason's.
All right, let me turn him here. Come on. Let's go. You got it. Come on. Come here, James. Nope. James. Bye-bye, James. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Come on. James.
Forward.
Hmm?
Forward.
So, we're gonna hold it, pinch it like this. I'm gonna wrap my finger around the top. Okay. So see how it's in like this? See how my finger is?
Like that?
Now when you throw it,
Yes, flick your hand.
as you throw it, you're gonna push with your finger too. That's gonna make it spin. So come over here now, watch how Daddy does it. Daddy gets low, brings his arm down low.
Like baseball, like this.
Kind of like baseball. But I bring my arm down low and I throw it sideways. So bring it back up.
Like that?
That was a little skip. So flip it sideways. Almost.
Ooh, that one might be too big, Joey.
That didn't work.
Johnny, throw it sideways.
Watch out, Joey. There you go. Good job.
That was good.
That was a good one. Good job, Johnny.
Okay.
Turn around, face him on. Yep.
Mom, I'm not splashed, okay?
Arm sideways and sideways. Sideways. That's much better. Splash.
But Johnny's splashing.
And we're telling him not to. Don't splash.
I like this river right here. It's moving. And it's pretty. It goes under the bridge. Can James go in here?
No, we probably won't let him.
Yeah. This is a little bit deep for him.
We also just don't want him to get all wet and yucky.
Oh, yeah, fair point. Because he will ruin his pants and his shirt.
Mhm.
Because he's just a little baby.
Watch out, Johnny.
No, you gotta make it big.
Back up, Johnny. Back up. Johnny can throw.
Come on, James is playing.
He's fine. I'm watching him.
Look at that. He's getting all
Yeah, I know. It's all right. I'm watching him.
people.
He's fine. I'm watching him.
But he's heading right into
Joey, I'm sitting right here. I am his mom. I will take care of it. James, come back this way. Call him back over to you. Say, come back over here, James. See? He's just fine.
Is this a pretty rock?
I can't see it that far, but I bet it is. You're pretty good at picking pretty rocks. James, where are you going?
Look. There's different colors. There's only 2 colors.
Oh, look at the stripes. I like it.
Yeah,
That's pretty cool. Show Dad. Oh, show Dad before you throw it.
Very cool.
That's
I like
pretty.
it.
Yeah.
You see the different stripes on there?
I do.
Get
All right,
ready.
no, other side of the
All right.
bench. Come over to the other side of the bench.
Listen, if I throw it, we
All right.
go like hop, hop, hop.
Yep, no.
See?
It's okay, James.
See, I told you it was hop, hop, hop. Look.
Hey, look up here. There's a ski lift. Daddy, look up. There's a ski lift. So when you go skiing and you go up to the mountain to ski down the mountain, you ride on one of those and it takes you to the top, and then you ride on your skis all the way down. Ooh, we're pretending it's a jungle. Yep, exactly. All right, be careful. I like this little bridge. Look how pretty. Oh, that's a pretty little waterfall. Look at there. Joey, look at over here. Look how pretty. Just listen. I like hearing the waterfall. Can you hear the water going down? Oh yeah, this is the water that was just going under the bridge. Yep.
I think the waterfall is coming and it goes tail and turns like. Oh look! Dad, look!
That's the ski lift.
Dad, look
Yeah.
at this.
All right, let's go. I think they're trying to cross. All right, let's keep going. Ooh, careful on those rocks.
I'm just sad.
We're sorry you're sad. All right, let's keep going. Yep, their group went that way.
And let's go this way to
Yep, come on. All right, let's keep going. Keep walking, my love. Be careful of the rocks, okay? Thank you for waiting for us, Johnny. Yeah. Isn't that pretty?
No, big.
Oh, beautiful. No. Come on. Cross the bridge. Let's go. Go.
Watch out, this is very pokey. this tap. It's cute.
It's cute.
Oh,
I'm glad you like it. All right, keep going, please.
look.